Hello students, till now in chemistry of 9th class in chapter number 1 matter in our surrounding we have learned different states of matter, that is solid, liquid, gas, Bose-Einstein condensate and plasma, and the properties of important all these three matters, solid, liquid and gas. Now we will further we will be learning scales of measuring temperature. Scientists have mentioned different scales for measuring the temperature, right? So the three temperature scales in which we measure temperature are Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale, right? These are the three scale on which temperature is measured: Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Here in the figure you can see three thermometers. There are three thermometers. This thermometer indicates Celsius scale, this Fahrenheit scale and this Kelvin scale, right? So the below point shows the freezing point of water, that is the point at which water freezes into ice, and the top point shows boiling point of water in which at which water boils. So you can see in the Celsius scale, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. You can see the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius, while the boiling point of water is 100 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit, you can see, and the boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. While in Kelvin scale, the freezing point is 273 Kelvin, while the boiling point is 373 Kelvin. It is clear in the figure. So these are the different points at which water freezes and at which water boils. In Celsius scale it is different, in Kelvin scale it is different, and in Fahrenheit scale it is different, right? So in Celsius scale, freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius and boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. Now, what is the relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale? There must be some relation. How you can convert Celsius into Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit into Celsius? So there is a relation. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 degrees Celsius plus 32. By putting the value of degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius, you can interconvert the unit into Fahrenheit or Celsius. In the same way, there is a Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is the SI unit, means all the calculation in the world, all over the world, the scientists use Kelvin scale in numerical calculations or to denote any temperature. This is the worldwide use scale in scientific operations. So relation between Kelvin and degree Celsius, Kelvin is equal to 273. 273, that is the freezing point of water in Kelvin scale. 273 plus degree Celsius. If you will put the value of degree Celsius, you will get Kelvin scale, right? From this two relations, you can convert Kelvin into Celsius or Celsius into Kelvin or Kelvin into Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. By putting the value of Kelvin here, you can get degree Celsius. You can convert this degree Celsius into Fahrenheit, right? So these two relations are very important from your numerical point of view. So keep this and learn this both the points in your mind. Now I think these things are very clear कि टेम्परेचर को नापने के लिए तीन स्केल हैं. एक है सेल्सियस स्केल जिसमें फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट वाटर का होता है 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जिसपे वाटर फ्रीज करता है. दूसरा होता है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर जो 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है सेल्सियस स्केल पे. इसी तरह फ़ारेनहाइट स्केल पे 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट 32 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट होता है. और फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वाटर का होता है 212 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट. और कैल्विन स्केल में 273 कैल्विन होता है और बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वाटर का होता है 373 कैल्विन. सेल्सियस को हम कैपिटल सी से डिनोट करते हैं, फ़ारेनहाइट को कैपिटल एफ से, और कैल्विन को हम कैपिटल के से डिनोट करते हैं. और एक और इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, दैट कैल्विन इज द एसआई यूनिट दैट इज यूज्ड इन साइंटिफिक ऑपरेशंस. नाउ we will calculate the temperature at which both degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit are equal. So in the numerical, let the temperature be x. Let the temperature be x. So if you put the value of this f is equal to 9/5 degree Celsius plus 32. If you put both f value of f and c as x, you can see we have put both the values are x and we will solve it. So 5x and 5 will be multiplied by this 32. 5 is equal to 9x plus 32 into 5. 5x. I have not multiplied this to keep my calculation simpler. So 5x minus 9x is equal to 32 into 5 minus 4x. This will come minus 4x is equal to 32 into 5, and when we will solve this, 4 divided by 4 32, 8 5 40. The temperature will be minus 40. So minus 40 is the common temperature at which both Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale are equal. Right? Now when you will solve the numerical, you will get numerical like this. Just like change 27 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Change 27 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So you can see how we will solve. Kelvin is equal to 273 plus degrees Celsius. Now K is equal to 273 plus you put the value 27 degree and you will get Kelvin as 300 degree Kelvin. 300 Kelvin, right? So you can get the value 300 Kelvin. In the same way, if we will solve another numerical, you can see convert 40 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. Then what you will do? Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into degrees Celsius plus 32. This is the formula. Then what you will do? Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into 40 plus 32. Right? Now degree Fahrenheit will be equal to 5 8 is 40. 5 8 is 40. And when you will solve this, you will get the answer. Right? You will get the answer. So this is how you will solve all this problem. Right? If try to solve more and more problem, आप ज़्यादा इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए और कंफ्यूजन नहीं होनी चाहिए क्योंकि चीज़ें क्लियर हैं एकदम. अगला जो टॉपिक है उस टॉपिक को मैंने इसमें आज इसलिए नहीं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि वो टॉपिक थोड़ा बड़ा है. उसको अगले लेक्चर में एक ही बार में उसे खत्म करेंगे. तब तक आप इस चीज पे फोकस करिए जो आज आपको पढ़ाया गया है, और इस चैप्टर में भी 2 टॉपिक और हैं, उनको हम फर्दर अगले 2 लेक्चर में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. तब तक आप इस पे क्वेश्चंस आपकी एनसीईआरटी में दिए हुए हैं और जो भी बुक है आपके पास, इन दैट यू हैव क्वेश्चंस. सो ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑल दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम दैट पार्ट. और एक चीज मैं आपको आज बताऊं, जहां भी मेरा चैनल है उसके नीचे एक सब्सक्राइब का ऑप्शन है. सो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए जिससे कि फर्दर जब भी मैं